one of the more popular models ever sold in the United States, no doubt about that. 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme two-door hardtop. 350 V8 power underneath the hood. It's paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic, 350 to be exact. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Text did note that the AC is in on. We'll take a look under the hood here at the end of the video. Start it up, let you run. First, let's take a look at the chrome up front. Grille, headlight surrounds. Sunfire yellow car, paint code 56. Saddle tan vinyl top. And saddle vinyl interior. So this car still looks very much the way it would have been produced back in 1972. It's going to come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That's included in the purchase price and may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Riding on the Oldsmobile Rally style wheels. Radial tires. Let's take a look down this passenger side. This car does come with the build sheet that was found in it. We will include that with the purchase. Give you a little idea how the interior looks. Bench seat, of course, the shoulder and lap belts for driver and passenger. Very stock looking dash. We'll get around to the driver's side, take a little closer look at that interior when we start it up and look underneath the hood. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation also. Take a look at the chrome in the rear bumper. If you stick around to the end of the video too, we'll take a little drive in this car so you get an idea what it's like going down the road, kind of take a virtual ride in it if you will. Another thing to remember is we have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. Want somebody to come take a look at this car, maybe you can't make it yourself due to time or distance. Not a problem. Again, open door policy for those guys as long as we take a look down this driver's side. You can see the paint's not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. There is a little bit of corrosion down in that one little spot right there. Great car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. May not be perfect as far as paint, but it shows well. You can see the paint has a nice shine to it. No rips, tears, or anything in the vinyl top. That doesn't really show much wear at all. About this interior, you'll be able to check out the still pictures of the back seat, undersides, interior, uniqueclassiccars.com, door panels. So pretty stock looking interior. Carpeting in nice shape. Don't really see any major rips, tears, or holes. Let's go ahead and fire this up. I'm sure you'll see in the driving video the wipers do work. Set fuel gauge up on half. Did have the stereo working too. Nice sounding stereo. At the top of the dash. Top of the dash looks good. Lots of times those can crack. Sounds as you'd expect. Nothing over the top, just nice sounding Olds 350. Headliner all intact, looking good. We'll slip around the back so you hear this run. Good sounding car. Like I said, sounds as you'd expect. Let me pause this a second. I'm going to get this hood open. We'll check out that engine bay. Underside of the hood, hood liner, and engine bay. There it is, Rocket 350 power steering, power brakes. Did mention the AC. It appears the components are all here. They do have the belt disconnected, and it has been converted once upon a time. So like I said, they need a little compressor work. Owner said sell it as is, price it accordingly, and just mention that. So 350, that's paired up with that turbo hydromatic 350 automatic transmission. And remember, it'll come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. Call us 507-386-1726. 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme 2-door hardtop. UniqueClassicCars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass in a nice yellow color with a brown interior. Looking and feeling like a lower mile car. Very original. It's got a stock sound to it. This is an automatic on the column. Accelerates good as you would expect. Shifts nice and firm. Speedometer is working well. The fuel gauge is showing about a half of a tank. The rest of it would be warning lights. The blower motor does work on this car. The wipers work. Factory radio is working great. Very nice looking carpet, seats, headliner. Smooth ride from this Oldsmobile. If I let go of the wheel, this car stays nice and straight. Very good power steering, easy to steer, easy to drive. Brakes are working well. Corners as you would expect for a 72 Oldsmobile Cutlass. Just sporty enough and just luxurious enough. Feels like stepping back in time, but for the steering wheel cover, which actually feels nice. A little more width on that steering wheel. Very nice car. Take a look at the pictures and read about this car at UniqueClassicCars.com.